How to upscale video quality in Canva? Alright, so first of all, just open your Canva website. Now, if you haven't opened your design yet, go on the home page, click on create on the left side, and here select video, select whatever format you desire. So, I've already opened this design. So, just open your design, go on the left side, click on apps right over here. Now, go on the search bar and type here video upscaler. Alright, now press enter. Okay, now click on video upscaler. You will see this option, add this app. I've already added this, so that's why it is showing open. So after adding the app, click on open. As you can see, this video quality is low. So what I'm gonna do is select the app and select the video quality. So I'm gonna go and select 720p, and after that click on generate. So I have to sign in. Just click on sign in, click on connect, and connect your account with Google. Alright, after signing in, you will see this option, generate. Okay, now click on generate. Wait for some moments. Now, as you can see, the video is generated. So as you can see, the quality is much better. Okay, click on add to design. And now let me show you the video with less quality right over here, and the video with more quality. So as you can see, the video with upscaler. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.